Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with Sportline. Check this out, another brand new 2022 Model S Plaid. Came to us in gloss black, but it's been wrapped. Check it out, 3M Satin Black. Very popular color. We've done many cars in this film and it looks really great on the Model S. I love how it really accentuates all the lines, all the creases, to let the new Model S really show how beautiful it is and how different it is from the previous Model S. Came out looking great. All the factory gloss black trim really blends nicely. We went ahead and left the side mirror caps gloss black because that flows as well. Normally we would wrap that. And then we went ahead and changed the wheels. Yes, the car came with 21-inch wheels, the Arachnid wheels from Tesla, and the customer did not particularly care for them. So we went ahead and installed one of my favorites, TS114s, 14 spokes, one-piece forged wheels, super strong, much stronger than the factory Arachnid wheels, and a lot lighter. That reduction in unsprung weight really does help with range and performance. The wheels have been finished in what we call diamond black. It's this two-tone finish. You got the brushed look with the gloss black windows, really sets it off. And do you guys see how the spokes kind of look like a fan, almost like a skinny turbine happening there? Very Tesla. I think it's an absolute great look. And then when we finished all this, we went ahead and installed Ceramic Pro. You know, we've been talking about it a lot. It is the real deal. This product really does protect your car inside and out. It comes with a 5-year warranty. It allows for really easy cleanup, and that's what people want. They want to be able to maintain their Teslas, keep them nice and clean very easily. Ceramic Pro is the answer for that. That's all I got for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, because you know we have so many more amazing Tesla videos coming your way soon.